Hello. Today, the topic that I want to talk about is the interplay between agile software development process and low code platforms to develop software. So, if you look at agile software development process, one of the key fundamental ideas there is really about fast and quick decision making. And if you look at low code platforms, again, the fundamental idea there is really fast delivery of software. So no wonder one should think that there is a lot of synergy between agile software development process and low code platforms. And I definitely think that there is. And to explain my point, let me take one of the aspects of agile software development. So if you look at agile, one of the key aspects is where the developers and the business users would work together, and the developers would deliver incremental value to the business user, where the business user can look at it and give feedback immediately, and then they can iterate on it. But now, when teams are working on a pretty complex enterprise software, you can think of that software piece as like a sphere, and really the surface of the sphere is what is visible to the business user, and that surface level is where typically the business user would give feedback on, and that is where then that may bring an iteration process. But in order to build that software, you have to build all the inside internals as well, which is not necessarily understandable by the business user, or the business user cannot give a lot of feedback on that. Now, how do you then adapt agile software development process? Sometimes people, teams would adopt like where they would develop a cone, right? You can think of like I'm developing a cone out of the sphere, and then I reach the surface quickly and get feedback on it. Sometimes they become more difficult because maybe the internals are so interdependent that you really have to build out a lot. And so while the software team is building a lot of these internals, which is a lot of the business logic, code, APIs, infrastructure, all such things, then really the business user is not really involved as much and it's not giving feedback. And then when you have built out the surface, then the feedbacks come, and that may kind of bring in some iterations where you have to now change certain things. What software development using low code platform is now going to provide you is that you will develop the sphere really quick, and hence you are giving access to the full surface you are building quickly, and your business users can now really act, work in tandem with you to give you feedback. And low code platform will also allow you to rapidly iterate over what you build, so that the agile process will really start working now. There is also another benefit. If you look at what is inside the internals of your application, if you are using a traditional software development method, then those internals are really code and APIs and such things, which your business users don't want to look at and give feedback on. However, if you are using a low code platform to build, then a lot of the internals are really visible, maybe graphically. Or in case of WiserGos platform, a lot of the internals are actually visible as like an English language story. Like the business logic you can write and show to your business user like an English language narrative, which will be easily understandable by the business. So that not only that the business users can give feedback at the surface level, which you are now building quickly, business users can actually look inside and give you feedback and have a discussion and give you feedback on that as well, because the insights are also understandable by the business users. Hope that helps.